Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to copy your Shopify store theme to another store. Duplicating themes keeps your brand consistent. So let's get started. First, log into Shopify. To do so, just go to your shopify.com. After that, enter your account credential and click on login. Once logged in, go to online store in the left hand sidebar and select themes. Now, click on Actions next to your theme, then select Download Theme File. To access the actions, click on the three dots next to Customize. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Download Theme File. Click on Send Email. Shopify will email you a downloadable theme file link. Just go to your inbox, the last email you've been sent by Shopify, and click on your theme export is ready to download here. Now you will be asked to save it as a zip format. Here, click Save. Now in your new store, go to Online Store Themes. Just go to in your new store, go to Themes here. Click on Upload Theme. Add a theme, click on Add Theme, and click on Upload a zip file. Now, drag the zip file you downloaded from your email and drop it here. After that, click on Upload File. It's gonna take a second to upload it given the size of it. Now once uploaded, click on Customize under the new theme to adjust settings. This is taking a bit too long to upload. And there it is. Now it's being installed. Just gonna wait here for a bit. Now once it's installed, I'm gonna click Customize under the new theme to adjust the settings. I'm gonna click here and reapply any specific settings to ensure it matches my original store. And that's it. I've successfully copied my Shopify theme. This keeps your design consistent across stores and you can adjust it as you can see. Click on Customize and you can adjust it according to your brand. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.